It's your baby girl Evie and welcome to my channel. So guys, today is Christmas Day. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! So guys, I'm going to be preparing jollof rice and chicken. Come along with me. Outfit for cooking. So guys, these are the ingredients we'll be using. So guys, this is palm oil, pepper. Then I'm going to be using this and sweeteners, then Derica sachets, so it to be red. Remember jollof rice we are cooking. Then curry. I also have sachet curry. Then we have salt. Then Maggi. Then guys, we also need fresh tomato and pepper. Okay. Then guys, we have the rice. Can't cook jollof rice without rice. So guys, this is the rice. So let's get into it. So guys, I've been using smoked chicken, then frozen chicken, then also bought live chicken. This is the frozen chicken and the live chicken. Then this is the smoked chicken. So guys, here I already added the spices. There's curry, thyme, salt, Maggi, and other certain spices you can think of. I just forgot to show you guys that. I'm going to put it in the description box.
Where is it? Yeah, that's actually do potato. Should I stop?
So guys, I'm working on this tea. No, you're telling me something. Let me come and watch the rice now. So guys, let me bring it Arabic. Let me bring the camera closer. English. So guys, this is rice now. I'm going to parboil it. You have to ensure all the greens. I don't want to lose it. Guys, the rice is on fire now. So guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I want to know what you guys think about this video. Then what else? Continue watching all my videos. Love y'all. This light is giving club vibe. So guys, how's the Christmas on your side? This one after cooking, I'm going to sleep. I'm not going out to like Boxing Day. Something water is almost dried. So guys, they just brought lights. So guys, now I'm going to be using this stew because blended the stew and everything. This is it. So I don't know that you guys can see it. I'm supposed to bring my camera to the other side so people can see. So now I want to fetch. When I say fetch, so now, you know, jollof rice, you don't need to put too much water. So I'm going to put this in. This is tomatoes, like fresh one, and it's in tomatoes. I parboiled it for a while. Is it parboiled? I boiled it for a while. Yeah. So guys, I almost forgot this meat stock, so I'm going to be pouring it, you know. That's going to add to the flavor, but I don't pour too much, you know. Jollof rice and don't add with water. Vivian shall say okay. All that content. Let's see. Come on, show now.
Come. Your test is Maggi. They have been put Maggi for all these ones. They can still put Maggi.
So you want to tell them now that you don't want to show me how to cook? I'm the one that cooks it too. I'm the one that is cooking it. Guys, you guys can see I'm the one cooking it now. I've never put on the gas. I want to first mix everything. Okay, let me add more water to the. I'm using the meat stock water. You guys don't know. I want to make here rough. I'm definitely going to clean it after cooking. So guys, this pepper, I'll show you guys before. It's already blended pepper. Let the pepper not be so much. And I'm not going to add much Maggi because obviously the meat stock has Maggi. I'll just put, I think this should be okay. This Knorr Maggi cubes, just two. There. Okay. I'm just gonna put some. Meat stock has everything, Sham. Maybe it's not condensed so much. Shall not add more to this. Our Christmas rice will got to be tasty. I need to add one more. Guys, have you guys watched all my vlog match? They're so interesting. Even me that did the video, like, so interesting. Even that outing on when we went to eat fish. A barbecue fish makes sense, man. Then let me throw this. This already sent. Let me add more Maggi so that you know. Let's say Maggi. Curry. Curry. We always announce what you're doing. Then, which other day? If I'm not forgetting anything, I think I'm good to go. Where is this? I'm good to go. Guys, I almost forgot salt. Can you imagine? Although there's salt in the meat stock, sha. I'm not put so much. This one is okay. Let me just add some. There's salt in the meat stock, sha, but let me just add. That other. Come on, I'm trying to get this. Our jollof rice is almost ready. This pepper then put it on top. Let's put it on top. And jollof rice. You guys understand what I'm saying? I'm tired. So let's finish washing it.
I see the show for them.
Huh? So guys, I'm going. Sorry, I'm coming out. So I sliced two just now. I thought the team was recording. No. So I have some. Don't cut pepper without touching it. Just get cutlery. Cook it. Put it. So guys, our almost ready. So guys, the pepper that I sliced earlier, let me put it now. I'm going to so just slice. Let me put it. Hope you guys can see what I'm. What else? The pepper is too small. Guys, I want to make moi, but I don't have the container. These are the containers I have, so I'm going to be making use of this. Guys, this is the moi. I added water like inside the pot, then before putting the containers. Then guys, I forgot to tell you guys, I made the beans flour myself. Just wanted to let you guys know, yeah. And for the mixture, guys.
So
I don't cook
I
now.
have like 200k left.
So my mom gave you money to give, and you spent all of it.
Technically, I spent 400k.
So guys, this is the food.
Reza, you know I called
Then my drink.
and told you I was broke. I even told you to borrow me money, to send me some money. You didn't.
You dumb?
Guys, this food is so sweet.
Since I got here, you've been trying to make me feel small, trying to make me feel terrible.
Wait, it's okay. Look, it's okay. Look, I'm sorry. I have so many things
Guys, Christmas rice always different rice. Like Christmas rice always tastes different from the one that you cook.
It's not easy to be. It's not just easy to handle yourself when you are dissolved, right?
I don't trust this boy. I don't trust him, and I'm not ashamed to say anything like that.
If this will make you feel comfortable.
This movie I'm watching, this movie is very interesting, guys. I let me know the title. So guys, over the mama.
Let me change this one.
The mama came out well, but the container they shrunk, yeah. I'm not trying that again. I'm going to use either lid or the normal container. I know.
Are you okay? Oh, bless you.
Mom. But the mama actually takes to the first talk. Mama actually tastes well.
Yes, that reminds me. That when last did you check your email? Have you checked it recently?
I knew it. I knew there had to be a catch. So now you have finished your service. So yes, tell me how much it is that you want. If I think you deserve it,
And they cook.
I'll get it.
Del, please. Just
Thumbs
check
up,
your email.
guys.
Please, sir.
Makes sense. Oh.
This is your CV
Yes, sir.
and an
This
application
will make
letter.
sense. Hey.
So that I want to work.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice.
The chicken is so juicy. And the jollof rice is so red. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I want to know what you guys think about this video. And guys, don't forget to put on your notification button so you'll be notified anytime I post. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. So guys, before I end this video, I want to wish you guys Merry Christmas. See you in my next video. Bye.